Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see about a feature called how to turn off the sleep mode option on your Instagram account. If you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to turn off the sleep mode or quiet mode on your Instagram, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, you just need to click on the top three dots. Then you just need to enter into the setting option. Then after entering into the setting option, just scroll down. You have the option called time management. Click on this. After clicking on the time management, you can find the option on the bottom called sleep mode. Well, this is turned on. You just need to turn this off. Just click on it again. Now you have the option on the top, sleep mode here, this tap button. Just tap on this, which instantly turn off it. You can see everything has been blanked. So you just doesn't need to click on the save option. It will be disabled. You just come back. You have the option. You can see the sleep mode is actually turned off. This is how the way you can just easily turn off the sleep mode or quiet mode on your Instagram account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.